Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to show you the smooth color change effect. So first of all, go with your clip selected into the color page. Now open the nodes tab, and don't worry, these are some color corrections I've made before. So I select the last node and I press Alt and S at the same time to create a new serial node. Then I open the tab Color Warper, and now it's getting interesting. Now try to click on this little icon right here and select Qualifier. Now you can move around onto your clip with your mouse, and you can see in the color field the color which is qualified right now. For example, I want to change the grass and bush color, so I left click the bush, and now you can see in the color warper tab that there's now selected a little dot. Now I want to change this dot to a more red color, and as you can see the green color has changed to a more red color. And by pressing Ctrl and C at the same time you can undo this step. Alright, now go back into the edit page. Duplicate your clip by pressing Alt and the left mouse button at the same time. Select your second clip and go back into the color page. And delete your new node. Go back into the edit page. And drag the color warper clip on top of your normal clip. Now you can animate the opacity. So for example, I go to the first frame. I decrease the opacity to 0. I create a keyframe. And I go a bunch of frames to the right. And I increase the opacity to 100. And now it looks like this. Or you can use the cropping, so I go to cropping, then I go to the first frame of my clip, and I increase the crop right slider to its maximum. I create a keyframe, also I increase the softness a little bit, and I go some frames to the right, and I decrease the crop right value to 0. So now it looks like this. So as you can see, the video gets more red from left to the right. Okay, I think that's it. So I hope this video has helped you. If so, then leave a like or a sub to my channel. Check the first link in the description to get some nice effects and transitions for Davinci Resolve. Or watch one of these two videos. And thanks to all channel members, thanks for the support, stay creative and bye.